This video is going to show you how to print a map. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your map. And then once your map is opened, you'll want to customize it however you'd like. So you can add pins to it, you can add territories, routes, whatever you'd like. And then once your map is exactly how you'd like it, you'll come over here to this options menu, you'll click on it, and then you'll select Save as Image. So what this is going to do is it's going to export a PNG of your map that you can then use to print off, or you can use it within presentations or whatever you'd like. So you can either choose to have the map or the sidebar saved, and then you can choose the size of the export that you want. So a regular is going to appear the exact same size as your computer screen. A large will be twice the size of your computer screen, and an extra large will be 4 times the size of your computer screen. So if you're looking for a lot of detail and granularity, then you'll want to use the extra large. If you're just looking for a quick screenshot to use somewhere within like a presentation, then regular should be just fine for you. So we'll click there, and then we'll select OK. There you go. Now we can see the downloaded file down here. And all you would do is click that and it would open up on your computer. And that's how easy it is to print your map using Mapline.